Get along, meaning have a good relationship with someone. Get along chu in kom ngai in thurual in huan om lova ko sa ho thei tina ani. Entinan uile zote hi anin ngai mo leni. Katen dog find it difficult to get along. Intizai zenga moni coverly in ngai diala kan om tlan thei mi lo le. I wonder why we just can't get along. Our new boss is very easy to get along with. Kan ho tu pa thar chu ngai nat ma a ol le ni. Get around, meaning move from place to place. Get around chu kalkwal taksa nga yawa kwal vel soina ani. Kawa kwal vel chuan ke in ka kalber. I usually walk to get around. Map tel lo chuan ko pui fan vel har kop mai. It's not easy to get around the city without a guide or a map. Get away. Take a short vacation from work or school. Get away hi hoi thoving cholla mun sana kal ti nani. Na changa cholla ri kamamo. I need to get away from work and recharge myself. Tlan bo escape ti na teponi theyang. Police lo thlen main ru pa chu tlan bo man. The thief managed to get away before the police arrived. Get back. Return. Na changa cholla I get away zo nuwa. Imun ngai ron le hian iron get back le chia ti nani. Get away chu kal chuak ti na in get back chu ki le ti na ni thung. When did you get back from your vacation? Get in. Get in into simple English common tak ni in motora te kan chuang lut kan lut soina ani. Get out hi chu chuak ti na ni ve thung. Get out tia mi in min au kum tuar ani chuan min hot chuak ti na ni ve thung ani. Get together. Let's get together after work today. Na kan to zo hun vein tla in mu khom tu mang u. Get together chu in mu khom ti na ani. Get rid of. Get rid of kan ti chuan nuai bo thil ti bo ti top soina angani. Kan chin than thalo simmi har deuh mai ni. It's difficult to get rid of old habits. Get across. Mun ka tanga le lamakal kongkan kan tiang chi ani e. It's hard to get across the road when there's lots of traffic. Get on. I got on the bus at Alfred Street. Motor kan lu chung kan get in ania bus rele thlona ro chuan kan get on thung ani. Bus le rele thlona tangin kan get out lova kan get off thung ani. Get through. Na nga makon thok zo ti na ni. Ka homework ka te zo. I got through my homework. Get through hian om zedang ani le a chu harsana pal tlang ti na ni. E harsana pal tlang ai ang ti ka chiang e. I'm sure you'll get through this.